Okay, why is it fuzzy? There we go. All right. We had some technical issues. It was kind of fuzzy for a while, but now it's in focus. All right, I'm going to do a video that shows you how to convert back and forth. So we want to know how to convert binary to hexadecimal and decimal to binary and hexadecimal to binary and decimal. So this video assumes you already watched the other video that explains kind of what binary is, how it relates to our decimal number system, and what hexadecimal is. So you should have watched that video already to understand what I'm doing. All right, so as we talked about, when we send stuff in computer, we send it as a byte, a group of 8 bits or 8 characters. Okay, so we'll start with binary to hex and decimal. So I'll make up a number 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Bam. So I have a group of 8. So this is a binary number. I'm going to turn it into a hexadecimal number and a decimal number. Okay, so first, to turn it into a hexadecimal number, I turn it into 2 groups of 4, right? So I have 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. So I add up anything I have a 1 by. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 plus 2 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, but there's no 11 in hex, right? Or our number is not the same. If I go 11, that's going to be B in hex. So remember, in hex, 0 to 9 is the same as 0 to 9. I'm going to write a little bit bigger, as you can see. So 0 to 9 is the same. 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 D, 14 E, and 15 is F. So 11 would be B. So this guy is the same as B3 in hex. So 1011 B 0011 is 3. So in hexadecimal, that would be B3. All right. If I have to convert it, so I'm going to write it up here, equals B3 in hex, which is also base 16, so B3. If I was to convert it to decimal, instead of breaking it up in groups of 4, I just keep going out. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So I just keep going. 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the second, 2 to the third, 2 to the fourth, 2 to the fifth, 2 to the sixth, and 2 to the 7th power. Okay, that's where the number comes from. So now I add up whatever I have a 1 by. Okay, I have a 1 by the 128. I don't have a 64. I have a 1 by the 32 position. I have a 1 by the 16 position. I have 1 by the 2 position, 1 by the 1 position. So 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 179 in decimal. So basically, 1011, 0011, same as 179 in decimal, same as B3 in hex. Okay, I'll do one more example on binary to decimal and hex. So now I'll go in and let's make up a number. I'll go 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so always a group of 8, right? So let's do to decimal. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So I add up whatever I have a 1 by. I have a 64. I have a 16. I have an 8. I have a 4. I have a 2. I don't have a 0. So I just, anything I have a 1 by, I add up those digits. 10, 12 is 22, 24, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same as 94 in decimal. So if I go in and I want to convert it to hex, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So whenever I want to do it in hex, I group it in groups, 2 groups of 4. So each one of the groups, 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 and 1 makes 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooh, what do I do? Okay, 2 characters. So remember, in hex, 0 through 9 is 0 through 9. 10 is A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F, so 5E. 5E in hex. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, same as 94 in decimal, same as 5E in hex, hexadecimal. So bam, takes care of binary to hex and decimal, the easiest one of them. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the second thing. So now I want to do decimal. So let's do the first one. Let's do 164. Okay, so first I want to convert that to binary. So it's going to take 8 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm going to write 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So for each of these, if my current position is smaller than that, I'm going to need one of them, so I put a 1. So check it out. Is 128 smaller than 164? Yes. So I put a 1. Now I subtract 128 because I used that position out. So 164 minus 128. 164 minus 128 is 36. All right. So now my next position is 64 smaller than 36. No, so I don't need it. Bam. Is 32 smaller than 36? Yes, so I'm going to need it. I put a 1, I subtract. 32 leaves me with 4. 16 smaller than 4? No. 8 smaller than 4? No. 4 smaller or equal to 4? Yes. So I use that, I subtract 4 out, leaving me nothing. 2 smaller than nothing? Nope. 1 smaller than nothing? No. So basically, 164, same as 10100100. Okay. If I want to double check it, I add up what I have. So in this guy, I have 128 plus 32 plus 4. Is that it? Yep. So I go 10, 14, 3, 4, 5, 6. 164 is 164. Bam. Okay. There's no easy way to convert decimal to hexadecimal. So we always just go decimal to binary and then convert that to hex. So to convert that to hex now, I'm going to bring it into two groups of 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. So 8 and 2 is 10. Remember, 0 to 9 is 0 to 9. 10 is A, 11 is B, 13 is C, 14 is E, and 15 is F. So 10, same as A. And then I have a 4. So this guy is a 4 in hex. So basically 164 in decimal, our number system, same as 1010, 0100. In binary, same as a 4 in hex. All right, let's do one more of those. Okay, so let's go. What should we do? We should do 93. Okay, so I do 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. All right, so when I start, is 128 smaller than 93? Nope, don't need it. It's 64 smaller than 93? Yes, so I'm gonna need it. I put a 1 there, I subtract 64 out. So I go 93 minus 64 leaves me 29. Okay, 32 smaller than 29? Nope. 16 smaller than 29? Yes, so I'm going to need a 16. Put a 1, subtract 16. Leaves me 13. 8 smaller than 13? Yes. So I subtract out 8, leaves me 5. 4 smaller than 5? Yes, so I'm going to need a 4. Minus 4 leaves me 1. 2 smaller than 1? Nope. 1 smaller equal to 1? Yes. So I need a 1. Minus 1 leaves me 0. So 93 should be the same as 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So let's add those up and see if they work out. So I have a 64. I have a 16. I have an 8. I have a 4. I have a 1. Okay, so let's see 10, 22, 23, 6, 7, 8, 9, 93. So 93, 93 works out. Okay, so now I want to convert that to hexadecimal. So again, in hexadecimal, I bring it into chunks of 4. 2 chunks of 4. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 and 1 makes 5. 12, 13. 0 to 9 is 0 to 9. 0 to 9 is 0 to 9. 10 is A. 11 is B. 12 is C. 13 is D. 14 is E. And 15 is F. So 13 is D. So this guy same as 5D in hexadecimal. M. So decimal to binary and hex. So a final example, I'm going to show you how to turn hex into decimal. So let's go. So 6E in hex. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so group it into two groups of 4. So I have 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. So 6, 4, and 2 make 6, right? 4 plus 2 is 6. 0, 1, 1, 0. So I have a 1 by the 4, 1 by the 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. E. Okay, so what do I do with the E? 0 to 9 is 0 to 9. 10A, 11B, 12C, 13D, 14E, 15F. So E is the same as 14 in our number system, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 plus 4 plus 2 is 14. So basically 6E, same as 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. If I want to convert that to our number system now, the easiest way is to go back to my binary number now, and I just add up all of them and go 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Now I add up anything that has a 1 by it. 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so I have 8 and 2 is 10. 4 and 4 is 8 is 20. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 110. So equal to 110. That's one. So 6E in hex, same as 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0 in binary, same as 110 in decimal of our number system. All right, let's do one last example. So let's say 39 in hex. You don't always have to have letters in hexadecimal. Remember, 0 to 9 is 0 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as I group it, 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so the first one is 3. 2 and 1 makes 3. 1, 1, 0, 0. 2 plus 1 equals 3. I'm going to make it a nice and 3. Okay, second one, 9. 8 and 1 makes 9. So basically, 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3. 1, 0, 0, 1 is 9. Remember, 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3. 1, 0, 0, 1 is 9. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 is 3, 9 in hexadecimal. Okay, so if I want to turn that into a decimal number, now I just come back and I go 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So in this guy, I have a 32, I have a 16, I have an 8, and I have a 1. So 8 and 2 is 10, 17, 3, 4, 5, 57 in decimal. So 39 in hex, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 in binary, same as 57 in decimal. All right, so that shows you how to convert back and forth. I hope that makes sense to you.